Hello and welcome to The Balance Plate. Today we will tell you a home remedy that will help you in your cold and cough, and it's a delicious tea. So let's start and know how to make it. First you have to take 1 cup of water and put it in the pan. 3 pieces of cardamom, a bit of ginger, a small stick of cinnamon. Put the tea powder. Boil this for next 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, put half cup of milk in it. Stir it and boil this again for next 4 minutes. Add sugar as per your requirement. Strain the mixture and now your delicious masala tea is ready. This will help you in your cold and cough. Do share it with your friends and families and help them get rid of cold and cough through this masala tea. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe on our channel. We will keep posting such delicious recipes to you. Thank you so much once again.